AI CCTV uses artificial intelligence to automatically identify what's happening in CCTV video footage, allowing users to create rule-based actions linked to specific scenarios. For example, a rule that alerts you if a human is detected outside your property after 10 p.m., or a rule that says if specific person X is identified, let them into your property. We design AI CCTV systems around four main functions: detect, deter, alert, and control. Detection methods include the ability to detect movement via virtual tripwires and object theft via object missing boxes. Facial recognition allows us to accurately detect and identify faces. Deterrence options include sounders and flashing lights. 24/7 live talk monitoring can be added for high-security situations. Alerts are sent to users in the form of smartphone app alerts, so you're immediately aware of an event. Users are always in full control via a smartphone app and desktop app, including smart search functionality that allows you to easily find and watch events, so there's no need to search endlessly through hours of video footage.